Ready to discover the secret AI tools that can help you rake in $100 daily? Let's dive right in. First up, we have Liner. It's an AI-powered content curation and research tool. Use it to gather info from the web, highlight key points, and organize your findings. Create a niche newsletter and monetize it through subscribers or sponsors. For freelancers, Liner speeds up research, letting you take on more projects or produce premium content. Next, meet Pictory. This tool turns text into engaging video content, perfect for marketing. Convert your blog posts into promotional videos to hook more clients. Or offer video creation services to businesses and watch your earnings grow. Third, we have BeDone. It gamifies task management, making productivity fun. Offer productivity coaching or create an online course on habit formation using BeDone. Monetize through course sales or affiliate marketing. Now let's talk about Bolt.new. This tool generates code from plain English prompts. Use it for freelance coding projects or create educational content on AI-assisted coding. Sell tutorials or workshops online. Finally, there's Fireflies. It transcribes meetings and generates summaries. Offer transcription services or use transcriptions to create content like blog posts and newsletters. Monetize through service fees or content creation. Each of these AI tools opens up unique opportunities to make $100 daily. The key is to leverage them effectively and market your services well. Which tool are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more money-making tips.